Welcome. In this video, we will explore Git workflows. We'll understand different Git workflow models for effective collaboration. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are Git workflows? Git workflows are structured approaches that define how code changes flow through a project, how teams collaborate on shared repositories, branch management strategies, and release processes and deployment patterns. Why should you use structured workflows? Well, structured workflows provide many benefits, including consistency. They establish predictable patterns for code changes and integration, reducing confusion and errors during development. They enhance team collaboration by providing clear guidelines for how team members work together, reducing conflicts and improving coordination. Structured workflows also improve code quality by enforcing review processes and testing stages, ensuring higher quality code reaches production environments, and finally, they provide deployment reliability by creating stable release processes with clear paths from development to production, reducing deployment failures. Let's explore the centralized workflow. This workflow has a single main branch, usually named master or main. All developers commit directly to this main branch. This workflow is similar to the Subversion workflow model, and is best suited for small teams or simple projects. Let's look at a few commands for the centralized workflow. First, you clone the central repository using the command git clone, followed by the repository URL. Then you get the latest changes using git pull origin main. Next, you commit your changes with a message using git commit, and followed by the commit message. Finally, you push your changes to the central repository using the command git push origin main. Let's discuss the feature branch workflow. In this workflow, all feature development takes place in dedicated branches. The main branch never contains broken code. Pull requests are used for code review, and it enables parallel development. Here are some common commands in the feature branch workflow. You start from the main branch using git checkout main. Then you create and switch to a new feature branch using git checkout bfeature/login. You can then work on the feature. To push the branch to remote, use command git push origin feature/login. After creating a pull request via GitHub or GitLab, you can update main after the merge using git checkout main and git pull. Let's discuss the Gitflow workflow. This is a strict branching model for larger projects. It has two main branches, main and develop, and supporting branches, such as feature, release, and hotfix. It is designed for scheduled release cycles. Let's look at the different branch types. Feature branches branch from develop and merge back to develop. They are used for developing new features isolated from other work. Release branches branch from develop and merge to main and develop. They are used for preparing new production releases. Hotfix branches branch from main and merge to main and develop. They are used for quickly fixing critical production issues. Now let's discuss the forking workflow. In this workflow, every developer has their own server-side repository. Changes flow through pull requests. Project maintainers control what gets merged. It is ideal for open-source projects. It enables contribution without direct access. Let's look at the commands. First, you fork via GitHub or GitLab user interface. Clone your forked repository by using git clone followed by the URL. Add the original repository as upstream by using command git remote add upstream followed by the original project URL. Then you can create a feature branch by using git checkout bfeature/new feature. Finally, push the changes to your forked repository by using git push origin feature/new feature. Then create a pull request to the original repository via the GitHub or GitLab user interface. Let's talk about trunk-based development. It uses a single branch, the trunk or main branch, short-lived feature branches, and frequent integration to the trunk. There is an emphasis on continuous integration and continuous delivery practices. Feature toggles are used for incomplete work. Now let's compare some advantages and challenges. The advantages are simpler branching strategy, reduces merge conflicts, enables continuous integration, and has faster feedback cycles. The challenges are it requires a strong testing culture, feature toggles add complexity, it needs an automated CI/CD pipeline, and team discipline is required. So, how do you choose the right workflow? Well, if you have a small team and simple projects, use the centralized workflow. If you need isolation for feature development with code reviews, use the feature branch workflow. If you have formal release cycles and need to maintain multiple versions, use the Gitflow workflow. If you prioritize continuous integration and have strong automated testing, use trunk-based development. Here are some key decision factors to consider: team size and structure, release frequency, and testing maturity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.